Hi up, first VW update, just over a week. I think the last one was the gear. Last Thursday and Friday, I went to town on this bad boy. Can't remember what, I tacked it in, didn't I? I finished welding the seam along. Just put some filler on there to get a bit of shape back here. I welded in a piece, that's nice and solid. Inside, this is where the hole was. I've just painted it now. Don't know if you can smell it. Right, put a patch here. There's a small hole there. I've got to weld a patch for that one. Brought the panel down here. This is by luck. I welded in a piece along there. I made my own floor piece to go right around here. That was this afternoon. And I've started a plate on top. I've got to there so far and I've ran out of welding wire. So, gone on Amazon, ordered some hitbox, because that's what I've been using. Again, thanks to hitbox. Sponsoring the channel, brilliant. So, yeah. Finish the welding. Look, this is never going to be a decent Beetle. It's going to be a patched up Beetle. And I've kept it on the road instead of breaking him. Like for the engine and stuff like that. Also, I've been thinking the last couple of days. Just shut the door. That's not bad. What I've been thinking, do a bit of body work. I want to see if I can get the chrome strip put back on. And maybe two-tone it here, below the line. And this panel here. Because at the minute it's meant to be Savannah beige. But the only Savannah beige is on the dash. This is more like a grey. I think previous owners rattle canned it grey. So it'd never be a nice bug. I'm going to keep it and do the work up until next spring. Then I'll sell it then. I've got to do plate of welding underneath. Then the inner arch. I'll do that, then I'll start driving him about. He is solid from that back. Whereas the start of it, we had nothing here. You could see the floor. Chuffed to bits with that. I didn't even try to make it like sort of like factory, but got good shape there, and it was just by luck, to be honest. Just by luck. So that's all solid. So you've got a patch here to do. I'm going to wire in the regulator when the paint dries after tea in a minute. East Coast, them discs are brilliant, so thanks for the support. Bottom of the door, I'm going to have fixed or maybe replace. I've got the bottom repair panel for that anyway, but I've got some nice rust-free doors. But that's the plan, two-tone it. I'll just rattle can it. I've got some good finish. Not too sure on the colour yet. So I did order some Savannah beige and that turned out like gold. What else? Yeah. All in behind there is good. Get all this mounted. You can see the shape. Got to do a bit more filling there. That's sort of in, you squeeze in. Bit of a gap there, but normally they do. Anyway. Yeah, you can see on the patina bug where he gone in and that panel goes right in. It's a bit of a gap there, so must be common on these Beetles. So that's the update on the 72. I'm chuffed for that. The weather is superb. Been 22 degrees last 3 or 4 days. Done nothing weekend apart from going to the football. You've seen the video. But back on the V-dubs tomorrow, back out doing the gear and the GT Beetle. I've got a deal going on with that with Jack. No, that's just a quick update. Happy days, get the regulator done. What I'll do once the welding's done, I'll paint all the floor anyway, because it's a little bit of carpet there. But happy with that sill. Like I say, I'll cut out a piece, join them up here. Just off. Yeah. That's not too bad. Bit of filler there, like dips in here. That's a little bit of dip there. And here it's like a golf ball there, like, yeah, there. And just here. So I had on my red oxide primer. But two-toned. Leave a comment, see what I'd be rattle canned anyway. Maybe I'll satin black it with the red oxide on the side. I'll rub all this down. I repaired that. Rub all this down, get it nice. Yeah, it'd be a half decent Beetle up for sale next year. All I wanted to do is just patch them up, get them solid. The door shuts nice. Top of the heater channel's all good. I want to do that day after tomorrow at Biggs. I'll be getting the welding wire then, unless I've got some at the unit. I'll be here Wednesday on him. I want to do some bits to that as well. and that. Carbs still waiting. And that. One of the garages find the splitty. What a laugh. Alright, thanks for watching. Give us a like. We'll get plenty of views. Give us a like. Hit the subscribe button. Comment below. See you on the next one. Cheers.